Hello everybody and welcome to this quick screenshot tutorial in which I'm going to show you how we can take our design like this in Fusion 360 and then very quickly create a screenshot with transparent background. We do this a lot when we want to present our work, create for example a front view, side view, top view, and then put this into a presentation layout. So how do we do this? As you can see here, I have a furniture set for seating units and a table unit. Very important is how we set up our name views. With right click, we always can create a new one. I have, for example, a top, front, and right. And then I have my custom one, front ground level, and 3D corner. And then also up here in the view cube, here we have, if we click on this triangle, the ability to go into perspective look or orthographic. I want kind of like really orthographic images, so I set these views up to orthographic. Sorry, Eric Strebel, I like orthographic views more than working in perspective. I already hear him laughing right now. So, next step is also the size of your design on the image or future image. Ignore the toolbar. This is not going to be part of the screenshot, but everything of this white work area is going to be our image we are going to create with this product on it. So that means we can make a screenshot like this, but it's not really very functional because there's a huge amount of white empty space around it. We also don't necessarily want to zoom in too much, as long as we don't want to really uh, zoom onto a specific detail, because all the other stuff we don't see isn't there. But what we want to do is find a position where we have only minimal of empty space to the left, the right, top, and bottom. And this is the 3D view. I know I will update this one. Right click. If I click on here, I can zoom in more. Yeah, this is actually pretty tight, but it will work. And then right click update. So now I really try to maximize the amount of my document and put that image onto it. For example, here, this is better. Oh, I can actually update this. This is by default made that way. Anyway, so how can I create now a screenshot from this or from this? Well, it's actually really, really easy. All we have to do is now we go to File and Capture Image. And here is where the magic now happens. If I go to current document window size, it essentially takes my display resolution for recording purpose. I'm recording in 1090p, 1080p, sorry. And you see it's 1920 wide by 963 high. So this is the wide area. If I now need to have a bigger image, I can go to custom and then I simply specify how many pixels do I need. That's maybe based on the document. Do you print on a letter, tabloid, or a big poster? The bigger the document, the more pixels you need. You can also switch to inches. For example, the aspect ratio is locked. That means every time when you change, for example, here the height, then the width is being updated too automatically. Pretty cool. Sure. Then all you need to do is don't mess with those. We want that to be transparent. If you don't want a transparent background, you can turn this off. Leave this one on. This makes actually non-diagonal edges look smoother, and click OK. Give this a name, specify that you want to save this somewhere on a computer, and click Save. And that's it. Now we have actually this design created a screenshot with transparent background, and it is on my desktop. Now I can put this, for example, into InDesign or Illustrator or whatnot. That's it.